ठीक है. Hello everyone. So finally we have reached to the end of this series, and this is my last video on this course. And one of the biggest learning for me in this video was that I initially planned and estimated this project to be completed in June, including 2 months of buffer. But here we are at the end of the year recording the final video. So my learning here is that software developers are really bad at estimation. Don't trust their estimation. I repeat, don't trust their estimation. And even if you do, then make sure that it's 3x or 4 times of their estimation. And actually it's really hard to do this as a side project with a regular job. But still I'm really happy and excited to record this video. Not because I just got a lot of views or subscribers or I made a lot of money out of it, but it's just that I'm able to get it done. I'm able to get it till the end of it. Initially I got some courage and just get started, but I'm glad that I didn't give up between all the ups and downs of life. And last year, about the same time, I was thinking to create some technical content, but I was not sure that what form and what topic I will cover. But then I wanted to choose a topic which is not being talked much about in young developers, but it's been widely used on daily basis. And this is where I come up with this topic. And although you can find many articles, books and videos on this course, but this time I wanted to give it with my own style, with my own context and with my own journey. So in the first video, I share why I am creating this course, to share my journey and help others to avoid the same mistake which I did. And in the next video, we talked about a real world example app called What to Do. And we did a walkthrough through that app. And that's where we really understand that this was a really 4-year-old legacy code base without any test and without any state management solution. Then we learn about how to create a safety net. And the first thing we did was simply write a test for a bug to understand the pain points. And once we understood those pain points, we used 3 dependency breaking techniques to fix that. And the first one was using static stater, which we use when we have a single global dependency and we want to replace that instance in a test with a fake one. And then we learn subclass and override, where we extend a class to override a method behavior in a test with a fake one. And the last one, which is my favorite, is dependency injection, where we move up the dependency to a constructor level and then pass a fake or mock data in a constructor inside the test. And apart from all this learning, we also learned framework specific testing like swipe, gesture and navigation. Then we learn how to improve our existing design using refactoring with test as a safety net. But the first thing we did was to master our tool, that is basically how to effectively use our IDE for refactoring and perform those safely. And then to improve our existing design, we needed a state management solution. And this is where we discuss about one of the most debatable topic in Flutter, that is how to choose a state management solution. And this is where I shared my own opinion on how I choose a library based on my current pain points in the project and how well the library is maintained. And finally, we migrated to RiverPod using step-by-step refactoring, which we learned throughout this course. And this is where we learn the power of test with the right refactoring techniques, which allows us to migrate to RiverPod off our home screen without much of an hassle. And all those things which we learned throughout this course finally pays off in the end. So I have covered most of the point in this course. However, if you want to cover any specific things, do let me know in the Google form in the description below. Based on your feedback and demand, I would love to create more courses in near future. So thank you for all your support and the thought you have expressed in the comment section. But be mindful that since this was a small app, most of the things worked. But based on your project, team and time constraint, chances are that things will break, even if you follow all the techniques in the world. So keep trying and always remember, practice, practice, practice. Lastly, I hope that this course was useful to you all, because I have learned a lot through entire this process. So please share this course with your friends and colleagues who you think might get benefit from it. So thank you for being part of this journey. Happy holiday, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year.